Most people spend their entire lives playing the wrong game. They are taught to trade time for money, save pennies, and wait until they are 60 to finally live. That is not a strategy. That is a trap. Alex Hormozi broke the code, not by working harder, but by understanding the brutal mechanics of value. He realized early on that wealth isn't about luck, money, or even connections. It's about skill stacking and leverage. If you are broke, it's not because the economy is broken. It's because your skills are missing. In this video, we are breaking down the unspoken rules of wealth that school never taught you. Fix your mindset or stay comfortable in mediocrity.
Lesson number 1. Stop chasing money and start building volume. Most people fail because they think small. They try 5 cold calls, read half a book, post 2 videos, and then complain that it doesn't work. Alex Hormozi's secret isn't magic. It's unreasonable effort. When ordinary people do 10 repetitions, the successful ones do 10,000. You don't lack talent, you lack volume. Lesson number 2, the skill stack. One rare skill makes you valuable, but combining 3 complementary skills makes you indispensable. If you know sales, you can survive. If you know sales, copywriting, and media production, you become unstoppable. Wealth is created at the intersection of stacked skills. Lesson number 3, price for value, not for time. If you get paid by the hour, your income has a ceiling. Rich people don't sell time, they sell results. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the check you receive. Stop asking how to earn more per hour and start asking how to solve bigger problems.
Lesson number 4. Make an offer so good, people feel stupid saying no. Most people fail in business because they try to sell the same average product as everyone else, competing purely on price. Alex Hormozi teaches that competing on price is a race to the bottom. If you want to build true wealth, you must create a grand slam offer. A grand slam offer combines high value, a clear guarantee, and a specific dream outcome. You stop selling the product and you start selling the transformation. When you increase the perceived value of what you solve, price becomes irrelevant. People don't pay for the time you spend, they pay for the pain you eliminate.
Lesson number 5. Play long-term games with long-term people. The biggest enemy of financial freedom is the desire for quick results. We live in a world addicted to instant gratification. People start a business or a YouTube channel, and if they don't see massive returns in 90 days, they quit. Hormozi's mindset is built on a 10-year horizon. When you extend your time horizon, your competition disappears. Why? Because 99% of people cannot maintain focus without immediate rewards. If you can suffer through the quiet years, the years where you work without applause, you automatically win.
Lesson number 6. Say no to good opportunities so you can say yes to great ones. Poverty of time leads to poverty of money. Once you start getting traction, distraction becomes your biggest threat. You will be tempted by shiny new ideas, side hustles, and quick deals. True achievers do not succeed by doing 100 different things. They succeed by doing one thing 10,000 times. Say no to the noise. Say no to the secondary goals. Focus all your energy on a single lever until it breaks open the door to wealth. The truth is, nobody is coming to save you. No mentor, no lucky break, no market trend will fix a mindset that refuses to grow. You now have 2 choices. You can close this video, go back to your daily routine, and pretend you never heard this. Or you can decide today to raise your standards, stack your skills, and build a reality that most people only dream about. Success is built in silence, long before anyone claps for you. Start doing the work. If this video shifted your perspective, subscribe to the Zaim Mindset. Join a community of individuals committed to ultimate growth and financial mastery. Until next time, master your mind.